So what I'm going to be doing these next 7 days is giving you a new look each day that you may want to try for Valentine's Day. So we are on a countdown. So our first look is going to be an e.l.f. Cosmetics Day. For my moisturizer, I am going to use this e.l.f. Tinted Moisturizer, SPF 20 sunscreen with aloe, cucumber, and vitamins A, C, and E. I'm not sure if any one of you has used this before, but I'm going to give it a try. This would be my first time using the Tinted Moisturizer, and the color I got was beige. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Illuminating Primer. I'm going to use the foundation stick from e.l.f. I like this. It's a moisturizing foundation stick, so it doesn't feel really matty, really dry. It's very good for my overall dry skin.
And yes, you'll see that this looks kind of light for me, but once I put my powders on and my bronzers, it all blends in. I've used this one before. This is actually like my third stick.
Now we're going to go in with my damp beauty blender and blend this in.
Awesome.
This is one of the e.l.f. concealers. This is the Tone Correcting Concealer. And we're going to go back in with the beauty blender and blend in.
I don't have an e.l.f. eyelid primer or an eye primer, so I am going to use another drugstore primer, which is Rimmel Exaggerated Undercover Eyeshadow Primer. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. And just dab it. I like the way this primer feels because it feels really silky.
Now we are going to use this e.l.f. Mineral Foundation SPF 15 to set everything on the face, including my eyes. I will use it all over this time. Now we're going to work on the bronzer. The label's completely off. That tells you how much I use this bronzer. It is the e.l.f. bronzer in Warm Tan.
And we're going to do it the lazy way. I like this technique, and I kid you not, it was a man that showed me that this comes out quite well. And that was Wayne Goss. So thank you. He usually uses a matte bronzer, but I use this one with a shine that e.l.f. has. And then I go above here with this Elizabeth Mott matte bronzer. It's a little sample that I have, and I'm just going to go in up here. And actually, we'll put it into a smaller brush.
Give my cheeks some definition. And there you have it. So that was 2 products that were not e.l.f., but it's okay. We're going to keep moving. So now we're going to be doing the highlighter. It's from e.l.f. as well. It's the Illuminating Palette. And this is what this beautiful thing looks like. Look at those colors. We're going to go for this rosy one up here. So for the eyebrows, we're going to use the spoolie. As you can see, my eyebrows, I am trying to let them grow out. So, excuse the funky mess. And I will use this mirror here to fix them. By the way, what I'm using is the brow pencil and from e.l.f. in the color Natural Brown.
Highlight the bottom. And I like doing the end of the eyebrow first, just so I know where I'm going here with this. And then I just accent my little hairs up here.
And there go the eyebrows. So you can see. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Duo. And let's see how this works out.
Not bad. Blending quite nice. I do go a little higher up here, just because I'm only having 2 tones actually to use, besides the base that I don't count. But it's pretty good. Okay, so this is what that brown looked like after it's done. As you can see, it blended quite well. So now we are going to do this color right here. And that one, I am going to pack it with this brush right here. See how flat it is? I like the flatness of this brush. So let's go for it. Taking the excess off. So we don't want a big, fancy, shimmery look today. We're going more for the subtle. So these 2 colors work quite well. The shimmer in this color is not that extravagant, unless you put in a, spray your brush with a setting spray or a setting mist, which that would work too. Okay, that's that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some illuminating powder here to, liven up this area and then highlight my eyebrow bone here. And we're going to use the same palette that we used earlier, which is the e.l.f. palette. We're going to go for the lighter shade.
We are going to use this little e.l.f. Brush here.
Just the point. Give it a little bit of a shine, but not too much. Again, it's not that shimmery, but it does the job to liven up that area.
And I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush. This is not an e.l.f. I don't even remember what it is anymore because the name of it came off. But anyways, I'm going to use this one just to highlight the top.
Again, it's not a lot of glow. It is just enough to give some definition.
Back to the shade here, I'm going to use this flat brush to do the eyeliner on the bottom of my eye. I know I went dark all the way just because I only have 2 shades to work with, guys, or gals.
So you do the connection here. Give your bottom some definition. Let me blend this more because it's too sharp. This one is less. Try to... There we go.
We are using the Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream. This is medium brown. So you can see I use it quite often. And sorry, I have to use my mirror for this. So eyeliner is set. A little bit of a wing there. And now the mascara. The mascara I will be using is the, again, e.l.f. Mineral Infused Mascara. So
It's the only mascara that I have actually liked from e.l.f. The waterproof one dries too quickly. I mean, I think I've bought it before and I've had like 2 uses and then it's gone. Great waterproof, but doesn't last long once you open it.
almost forgot about my blush, but as you can see, I could tell I needed something. So I am using the e.l.f. blush in Tickled Pink. For my lip liner, I will be using an e.l.f. lip liner too. This is one of their $1 lip liners in a burgundy. This is Bordeaux Beauty by e.l.f. as well. And this is what the color looks like. Thank you for visiting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And keep an eye out for the next 6 days of Valentine's looks. And I will see you. Bye.